Hey, welcome to the MSP432 Project's YouTube channel. Today I present to you my final project of the Microcontroller Technology module as part of the study program Applied Mathematics and Computer Science at the University of Applied Sciences in Aachen, Germany. The idea of my project was to utilize a Discord bot to toggle LED strips attached to the MSP432 module. I achieved this by doing the following three steps. 1. Using Discord's developer API to create a bot that would handle incoming chat comments the user would type on a Discord chat by sending HTTP post requests to a web server running on the ESP8266 module connected to the MSP. 2. Upon receiving the HTTP body, the ESP would then pass these incoming post requests using the Arduino JSON library to deserialize the body contents. Following this, the ESP would use a UART connection to forward compressed strings containing only the needed information, thus being the animation and the color to display on the WS2812B LED strips. Last but not least, 3. The MSP would then handle the incoming strings and toggle the respective LED mode and color. While working on this project, I encountered three main problems which I'll elaborate on now. Starting with the smallest of the problems. During testing, some of the modes would have the LEDs try to use more power than the MSP could deliver, which led to the LEDs turning bright for a split second just to end up turned off with the MSP disconnecting itself to prevent internal damage. I fixed this by subsequently using only half of the LEDs attached to my strips. The second issue to occur was deadlocks preventing the ESP from handling newer incoming strings, resulting in timeouts and socket hang-ups. Now to the last major problem I came across throughout working on the project. For reasons inexplicable to me, the LEDs would stop receiving any data from the MSP overnight. To figure out what could possibly be the issue here, I started measuring the voltage and resistance on the LED strips. Confirming there was nothing wrong with the LEDs and having changed nothing about my code, I tried a simple example project, even though I was sure not to have done anything that could have led to this, to me, incomprehensible issue. When attempting to fix this issue, my first step was to flash the example project onto the board. The LEDs would work fine with it. Yet, knowing I had not changed anything about my code, I copied the example project source into my own source. This would again not work, leaving the LEDs turned off. Using the information I gathered, the solution was quite easy. I created a new project as it seemed the original project's properties were somehow messed up, and moved my previously working files into it, fixing the issue for good.